Organizations work with different models to perform their strategic planning. Some may be more granular, and others might focus on a specific territory or region. Typically, many of the models have a similar structure. For example, custom dimensions and accounts, as well as scenarios and time periods, may only differ slightly. You can manage your metadata by choosing a single source model that includes the metadata you want to copy to one or more target models. I'll navigate to the Models page, where I can define the criteria for copying model metadata. On the row for the source model, click the ellipsis, select Model Change Management, MCM, and create a new definition. Target models are defined. I'll select the metadata to copy from my source to my target. I want to copy account groups. I'll specify the account group to include in my target. I can select one or more of the listed options. I'll leave the default selected so that if the account group is already in the target, it won't be overwritten. After saving my changes, I'll return to the Models page. Before copying metadata, let's look at our target model to see how it is currently set up. The account group direct costs is not in the target model. I'll run the Model Change Management rule to copy metadata from the source model to all target models. A confirmation message indicates the Model Change Management rule was submitted as a job. I can take a look at the status from the Models page. I'll navigate to the Jobs page where I can verify that the job ran successfully. I'll open the target model so that I can take a look at the changes. The direct costs account group is listed. I can work with direct costs in my target model. For more information on copying metadata, visit the Planning and Budgeting Cloud Help Center and view a tutorial. Copying subaccounts and account attributes, copying time periods, copying scenarios. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.